Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Kishween. I hope you're all doing well. And today, as you have already read the title, it's going to be a oily combination skincare routine for you all. I will also give some product recommendations and alternatives to some products. So let's quickly jump into the video. So this is going to be an affordable skincare routine. So जो भी product names और prices हैं वो मैं यहाँ screen पे pop कर दूँगी. So after this I'll just clean my makeup. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा heavy makeup नहीं करा, मैंने monsoon makeup वाला makeup करा हुआ है. So if you haven't watched that video, you can check it out up here. So for my makeup removing, I'll use this Garnier Micellar cleansing water. इसमें काफ़ी झाग बन गई है ऊपर, but ये ठीक हो जाएगी. This is really affordable with the quantity you get. So मैं एक बहुत ही normal सी cotton लूँगी, जो कि मैंने इस बड़े से cotton roll में से निकाली है. And I'll pour some micellar water here, like this. And first मैं अपनी eyes से makeup हटाऊँगी. So I'll keep it like this here and swipe. काफ़ी जल्दी ये पूरा मेकअप हटा देता है. So अगर मैंने heavy makeup करा होता, you know, like I would have used foundation and a lot of more powder, तो मैं makeup remover use करती, which जो कि कुछ थोड़ा cream based type होता, oil based होता ऐसे. But मैं एक्चुअली इसे यूज़ कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मेरा लाइट मेकअप है, सिंस मेरा बेस नहीं है. सो यू नो उतना मुझे चाहिए नहीं हटाने के लिए. वाइप कर लूँगी एंड यू नो आई विल टेक सम मोर टू वाइप माई फेस अगेन. And now it's time for face wash or your cleanser. I will use this Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash. This is the biggest packaging and this is really affordable. ये तो multiple sizes में आता है and I think ये सबने यूज़ करा होगा, मुझे इसके बारे में तो बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This was my first ever face wash और मैं आज तक यही यूज़ कर रही हूँ. तो मैं यहाँ नहीं बाथरूम में जाके धोऊंगी. So yeah. And another option that I have for oily skin is this Pond's Oil Control. ये पता नहीं किसी चीज़ के साथ फ्री आया था, but this is also really affordable and this is really good. ये बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई आउट नहीं करता स्किन को लाइक अदर फेस वॉशेस जो ऑयल कंट्रोल के लिए बने होते हैं. सो माई फेस इज़ नाउ क्लीन एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर द टोनर. फॉर टोनर आई विल यूज़ दिस हिमालय रिफ्रेशिंग एंड क्लैरिफाइंग टोनर, अगेन वेरी अफोर्डेबल. And this was my first ever toner. I began with this toner, so this is really good and effective and it is perfect for beginners. And I'll again take some cotton and I'll pour some toner on my cotton and I'll wipe my face with it. अगर still कुछ आपकी स्किन पे बचा हुआ है गंद, उसे भी हटाने के लिए काफ़ी सही रहता है. So if you can see इस पे थोड़ा सा आया है, थोड़ा सा. So you know ये ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, कम भी हो सकता है. So just do it anyway. And after that I'll take this toner. I'll just pour some on my hand. And जैसे मैंने हाथ में ले लिया है, I'll rub it like this and on my skin I'll do this tap. So for toner I have another option. This is the Mamaearth Vitamin C toner. I have already, you know, done a Mamaearth Vitamin C range review. You can check it out up here if you haven't watched that video. This is really good for all skin types and this is really affordable as well. The quantity is really good, so you can actually use this on Mamaearth के तो काफ़ी सस्ते भी मिल जाते हैं, you know, always 20% off. कितनी बार मैं बोलूँ ये बात. So yeah, this is one option. And if you want to move into AHAs and BHAs, so I have this Dr. Sheth's Gulab and Glycolic Toner. I have already reviewed this. You can check it out up here. I have also talked about what is glycolic acid, how to use glycolic acid and everything that you need to know about it. So this is a little bit on the expensive side, but this is definitely worth the money. So you know, if you can invest in it, definitely do in this one. So now let's move on to face serum. For serum I have this Mamaearth Skin Correct face serum. I have also done an individual review of this. You can check it out up here and I've talked about niacinamide in it. So this is really good for all skin types, and this will help you with most of your concerns. So I think it's a perfect serum for anyone, and this is an affordable serum. Some people might think कि ये भी थोड़ा प्राइसी है, इससे भी अफोर्डेबल, बट सीरम्स इसी रेंज में आते हैं, एंड सीरम्स में इन्वेस्ट करना भी सही है, बिकॉज एक तो इनकी कम क्वांटिटी काफ़ी लंबे टाइम तक चलती है, एंड सीरम्स हैव एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट्स विच कैन एक्चुअली ट्रीट योर टारगेटेड स्किन कंसर्न्स. सो दिस इज़ द मोस्ट अफोर्डेबल सीरम दैट हैव एवर कम अक्रॉस. मैंने और सीरम्स भी यूज़ किए हैं, बट वो इससे तो ऊपर ही थे प्राइस पॉइंट में. सो डेफिनेटली इन्वेस्ट इन दिस वन. और सीरम के लिए मेरे पास सिर्फ यही ऑप्शन है, मुझे अफोर्डेबल सीरम में मेरे पास फ़िलहाल यही मिला. सो आई विल टेक दिस. एंड दिस इज़ अ रियली नाइस सीरम. डू चेक आउट द इंडिविजुअल रिव्यू ऑफ दिस वन. और थोड़ा सा स्प्रेड करने के बाद इसे भी टैप टैप टैप, ताकि अच्छे से स्किन के अंदर अब्जॉर्ब हो जाए. सो नाउ आफ्टर सीरम इट्स टाइम फॉर सम मॉइस्चराइजर और सम क्रीम. If you are older, above 25, in your 30s, you can add a retinol, maybe an emulsion or something. But since I'm not of that age, तो मेरा routine यही रहता है. You can begin with using a toner, a moisturizer and a sunscreen basically, and then later on you can build up your skincare routine. I am combination skin, and what all I'm using is my skincare routine, and all these products are suitable for oily skin as well. All these products are tried and tested, and mostly products के reviews मैं already अपने channel पे कर चुकी हूँ. You can see those reviews and decide for yourself what you have to get. So for moisturizers, I have a few options available with me. I have this Pond's Super Light Gel. This is an oil-free moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. This is the larger tub, and I really like this moisturizer. It is a gel-based formula, and this feels really amazing on the skin. And another thing that I have is the Pond's Light Moisturizer. It is also a non-oily moisturizer with vitamin E and glycerin, and both of these are suitable for combination to oily skin. This one is really good for dry skin as well, and I personally use this a lot, and थोड़ा मैं बीच में ये भी use कर लेती हूँ. This is a gel based and this is a cream based formula. So this is gel like. And what I usually do is that I mix a facial oil with this, since I break out on and off. So I keep using this Beautyco tea tree oil, and I just apply the cream like this, even with that light moisturizer, and I just put 2 drops of it, and one, yeah, and then I massage these into my skin. I just like to do this, push my skin upwards. And this facial oil tingles a little bit in the beginning, definitely, but I think it's really good for acne and pimples. For moisturizers, for oily and combination skin, I have 2 other options. I have the Neutrogena oil free moisturizer for combination skin. It's written combination skin, but it is really good for oily skin as well. This is really non-greasy and a little bit more than those two, but you can always get this at a discount on Nykaa or on Myntra, so definitely look out for this. This is really good moisturizer. Individual review is already up here, you can check it out here. Another recommendation that I have is this Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. So this is a really good moisturizer as well, and I think this has glycolic acid. Yes, this has glycolic acid as well, and it has green tea, which is great for acne. And this has a translucent gel-like formula. See, and it has this runny consistency, and it quickly gets just absorbed into the skin pretty well. So as you can see, this is a non-greasy formula as well. I highly recommend this one. And for facial oils, I had only this one, so मैं सिर्फ यही recommend करूँगी. मैंने genuinely कोई और use भी नहीं किया अभी. So, you know, definitely invest your money in this if you are someone who's dealing with acne and pimples. Now let's move on to eye cream. For eye cream, I have the Biotique Bio CV Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. And let me tell you, this does nothing for your wrinkles or for your dark circles, but it is truly an anti-fatigue eye gel because it really opens up my eyes, and I really feel, you know, awake and fresh after using this. And you can use it, and it really, you know, calms your eyes and, you know, provides you a soothing effect under your eyes. So you can say it really relaxes your under eye. And always put your under eye creams with this finger, this one. I personally use it during the day, but you can use it at both the times. And what I use at night is a L'Oreal Revitalift ऐसे शायद बोलते हैं, sorry. This one laser, I don't know, laser renew something kind of. This is a little bit on the expensive side. मैंने फिलहाल आज तक ये 2 eye creams सिर्फ try करी हैं, and I stick on them only. I'll definitely, you know, start using more affordable eye creams for you guys. And for the lips, I'll use the classic Vaseline for my lips. I just like to load my lips with Vaseline because they're super dry and they're super chapped. And you know, last step, sunscreen. This is only and only for day. I'm not going to apply sunscreen right now because I've already applied, you know, oils and serums, but during the day I would definitely apply it, and you should too. This is the Lotus Herbal Sun Safe Matte Gel Sunscreen with SPF 50, and this is affordable as well. जितना ज़्यादा SPF बढ़ता जाता है उतना ज़्यादा प्राइस बढ़ता जाता है sunscreen का. So if you even buy SPF 30, that is okay. And since this is a matte gel formula, so this is really good for oily skin. I would take some sunscreen on my fingers, rub it, and I'll apply it in the tapping motion like this. ऐसे. I will not rub it like this. I will simply just tap. I will apply like this. And additionally, I have some face mask recommendations. You can use this Mamaearth Neem face mask. This is great for oily skin as it has neem and tea tree, and it actually treats your pimples, pimple marks. So this is the tub. Another type of mask that is really good for oily skin is a charcoal mask. Charcoal mask that I have tried is a little bit on the expensive side. If you still want to see the review, it's up here, you can check it out. It's the Body Shop charcoal mask. So since it's not in the affordable range, I will not cover it in this video. And yeah, with this I finish my skincare routine for oily and combination skin. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this routine and it was really helpful for you, and you really like the product recommendations. If you buy something from my product recommendations, do let me know. I would love to hear that. If you like this video, please hit that like button and channel को जल्दी से जाके subscribe कर दो ज़रा अगर अभी तक नहीं किया तो. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is @kishween.kaur. My Facebook is @kishween. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, goodbye and stay safe. Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.